how to pair Apple Watch with a new iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can pair our Apple Watch with a new iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, it doesn't really matter whether you have a new iPhone or an old iPhone. All it matters is that make sure that you set up your iPhone. So when you set up your iPhone, you will see this type of interface. Make sure you have your Apple ID and everything else logged in and ready for use. Now on your iPhone, you have to make sure you open the Apple Watch app. On your Apple Watch, you will see this type of interface when you turn it on. So on your iPhone, what you got to do is on the Apple Watch app, just tap the start pairing option. You can start over, and then here you can say set up for myself or for a family member. Depending upon what you choose, you can select set up for myself, and here you can see it says hold Apple Watch up to the camera, which on your Apple Watch you will see this type of interface, which is a circular icon. All you have to do is, I'm sure you know from here, just make sure to place your Apple Watch like this. Now put them in the frame properly, and when you put them in the frame properly for a second or two, your Apple Watch will get successfully paired and connected with your new iPhone. But as I said, it doesn't matter whether you have an old iPhone or a new iPhone. All it matters is that you have set up your iPhone and you have downloaded and installed the Apple Watch app to connect your Apple Watch. This way you can pair your Apple Watch with a new iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.